Hi, this is Tariq here again from stockoptionexpert.com. So today I will be covering some of the bullish bet in various hot sectors in last few days. So first of all, I will go through the oil today. Oil, this is trying to find some bottom here around, trying to make a higher low and some base here around 5 area here when the buyer started to came in as they were as this small downtrend broke down, and then it started to push higher. There was more buyers here on this day here. If you are an options trader, if you follow us, you got the alert here that the big boys, the institutionals, were buying calls volume in the options. As you can see, this is our StockTwits account. This is on our Twitter account as well. You can see I have called for the bullish options flow in the oil sector. As you can see, XLE, another oil ETF, it's up today 1.46%, and there was bullish calls block or bar 1700. Also, I have seen call in OIH and OIL US, so all of them have seen call flow. So they had to, as the report came in, everything it today it blasted off up above 3% today. So what you want to see, you want oil to get above this level here, 20-day moving average above 550. If we stay below 550, then it will start to consolidate and go sideways. So the next move you want to see is above 50, and then go higher and move higher. Once it gets above here, it will come here. Same thing with UCO. Many of you do follow UCO. Same thing, it has to get above this green line, which is 20-day moving average, and then more buyers will join. So we post all these levels in our chat room and Twitter Premium for our members. Another good one, big weekly volume we saw was this one. Rig, you could see rig, we started to see call volume on 27, almost like 2 days ago. Weekly 12 calls, 12,000 calls bought, bouncing off low. So when you see such volume, which we follow, and you have to, you kind of, it gives the signals where they are getting aggressive. So this is when we went long 2 days ago, and here right at bottom, we trying to catch this one, and nicely this was up. Right now it pulled back a bit, but this is up almost like 4% or so in last 2 days. So you have to know your sector or you are getting beat up. And then another sector they were long was financial sector, XLF. They were, today it's bit down, but last 2 days they were adding calls here. I had a post even right here too when they were adding calls here. So if you go see, we had position in Bank of America last 2 days. You have to take profits, otherwise in this market, look at how it goes sideways, otherwise they will take it away from you. Also hitting some resistance right now. Today we are not in banks, we will get again in banks as soon as it gets above back. It has to get above 24 level here for the bulls for the next move, otherwise it will go sideways. But there is a chance if market holds, we can push higher. It depends on where the overall market goes next few days, and we will take our position accordingly. So back, I had quite a few posts. If you are a follower of mine, probably you have seen it in my post here. We did have a post like 2 days ago. It's not like we coming today and saying this is, if you see, look this, see, there was a big 5,000 call block and 62.5. See, if you look at it, although the sector is bit down, but till to although it's still up, all banks are down, but this is why they started to call that 5,000 call block around here. Look at it. If it's almost made like from here to 57, almost $3.50 move last few days, because this is what we follow the institutional by 2 days ago. So this is getting interesting, and overall you have to see what you are taking. Today big volume coming in Yelp. I just want to go here. Yelp looks very nice today. It's very strong. 5,000 calls block earlier. I shared with you guys, right, I believe, to here at 1018, and it's nicely pushing higher. May 5000 calls blog bot here. So this will get interesting once it gets about 10-day moving average. The next move will come in. So this is a quite bullish angle. Keep an eye on this one. Also, some other activity. Facebook is flying today. Our members got alerted early in the morning in our premium Twitter and in our chat room right before open. It looks good. It has been holding very well. If you look at Facebook, lots of institutionals holding in Facebook, and probably they are looking into the earnings. So this will get pretty interesting till the earnings. How this will play out. Every stock you play, you have to know your levels. It's you if you cannot just go blindly and then trade it. Today we'll show you how when this is our premium Twitter account, only our premium member has access to it. It has so many follower requests. You can see 400 plus people want to follow it, but you have to be a member. This is today's Facebook account for our premium members. Look at this one when they got alerted at 9:16. So we are not surprised with this move today. For our folks, they just got this alerted right at thing. We had some other call volume OAS right at open. Look at this. Where to focus? We focused on these two at the beginning, and this one too got alerted at 9:20. So another 4,000 block, and this one too it is moving. Facebook June 1445 8,000. You will see such alert only in our stream. This big volume. This is what we focus these days. We have changed our strategy. We only focus on the big volume to make sure we are directly with the institutional here. So Facebook looks great today. Let's see how it does. OAS, I want to show you guys those April 14 calls since open. This is another flyer exploding today, 5% plus runner of 20 huge move. So this is how you have to look. So today, if you are not in the strongest sector, let's say if you are trading solar, it's not doing good today. So if you are into solar stocks, you are getting beat up. It's not doing that good. The whole sector is down. Also, airline, I do like AAL, although the whole sector is down, but this one will do good once it gets above this yesterday's high above 43. This one will move higher. Still, it's doing good. It looks like a small cup and handle pattern bullish, but today it's weak. This is why we took profits yesterday. You have to know where to take profits. We had we alerted our folks here, and they are did pretty good. Some once it gets above, it will move higher. I like this one here. So keeping closer, analysts are pretty strong on this one. Uptrend holding. So this is I have all bull signs, and let's see how it does. Regarding the markets, nice action. We saw there was big reversal here. 50-day moving average, major support nicely running here. Probably we may come here and test this. Above this, we probably will come the top of this candle as well. So this will not be surprised if we come mile above here. Then there are a lot of resistance in this zone here. So regarding the market, it's moving. It's kind of it's sideways action and everything. You have to be have an open mind and to see the big picture and trade accordingly. If you're swinging right to left, because there are lots of sector rotation going on from biotech to bank to biotech. Also today biotechs are again back up. They were down yesterday. Today they are up. So most of the biotech stocks, especially Vrtx, big news came in and this is exploding. Barons had it on their stream few days ago, so exploded to 18%. So these are the strong stock for the watching market very closely. IWM2, this is nearing some resistance here, around here, so some resistance. So we will see how it plays out. And nothing goes straight up or down. It's just that still there are buyers in this market. Yes, someday something could happen. You have to see the information you have in your hand or the levels. Otherwise, you will not survive in this market. Thank you. Please share.